This tutorial will show you how to use the library's OneSearch database to search for popular articles, such as newspaper and magazine articles. And this process is going to be really similar to what we did for finding scholarly articles. We're just going to limit it down to the different sources that are more of the popular type. Now, I am on the library's homepage, and I'm just going to go ahead and type my keywords into the OneSearch box. So I'll do texting and driving, and then hit search. And OneSearch will find a variety of source types. So I'm seeing a video recording, I'm seeing an academic journal article, another video recording, and our options on the left under the source types area will allow us to limit our results to a specific type of source. And we're interested in popular articles at this point. And I can see right away that it found news. News stands for newspaper, so it found newspaper articles, and it found magazine articles, and it also found trade publications. And a trade publication is very similar to a magazine. It's just meant for people that work in that specific field. And sometimes if you're not seeing these types of sources on your own results, these magazine sources and news, trade publication, you might need to click on Show More, and a box will pop up that will show all of the types of sources that it found. But to update our results to include these popular sources, we can just go ahead and click on the box next to the source type. I'm going to go ahead and click next to magazines. And now my results are only showing the magazine articles that it found on this topic. And the periodical icon, periodical is basically just another word for a magazine. But if I click on this title, I'm going to click on the first title on my list. It will show us some more information about this specific article. The abstract is a short summary about this article. The source type up here, the source line, shows me that this was published in a magazine called Fort Worth Business Press, and it was published in 2012, so it's just a couple years old at this point. But if I click on the PDF full text over here on the left, it's going to bring up the actual article, and we can see what it looks like. And right away we can see that this article looks quite a bit different from what we were finding when we were looking for scholarly articles, because it does have a lot of colorful photos. And it looks like over here on the right, this might actually be an advertisement. But if we scroll down, we can see that this article is actually only one page. This is just a copyright statement. So it's really short, just one page. It has a lot of colorful photos. It doesn't have any references listed here at the end. So this is a popular source that we're looking at based on the characteristics that we learned about. And it was published in a magazine. And if I go back to the page describing this article, we do still have some options over here on the right to help us out. We've got some tools. There is a cite button over here on the right, and you can use it to create your citation for this article. We've got APA style here. If we scroll down, we also have MLA style available. Let me just go back and show you again. The way that we were able to limit to just the magazine articles was over here on the left under source type. It also gives us the option to limit to just the newspaper articles or just the trade publications. And this is the process for using OneSearch to find your popular articles.